Yes, can we open surprise?
Hello.
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 Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
This one is Jadavika and this one is Kisses.
Hello.
Today
Today,
we're
we're going to play a game. A box of LOLs.
Yay! We're home.
We're going to mix it with the open one. We're gonna pick up
Pick up one.
one.
Pick up one, and then if you get one that is not yet open, you get to open it. And if you get the one that is open, you gotta eat lemon. Taste lemon.
Okay, taste lemon.
Or get a bite of it. Mix and mix. Don't look. And mix. What did you get? I get it.
Oh, it's your turn, baby. You cannot open it.
You cannot open it because it's
Okay.
already open. Now it's time for her to eat lemon. Now, I cannot see. And of course, I cannot see how it is.
Remove your
Oh, soft to eat. Yay!
Okay, it's your turn.
Okay. Your turn. Yeah. Okay. Mix and mix and mix. Sorry.
Okay, she got one.
Okay.
Remove your gloves.
Remove your glove. Yay, you. I did it. Open. Okay, let's open. Come here. Mommy, I haven't opened it. Mommy, I just love this like this. I just like the Antimika like this.
I thought she's the one to open.
Wow! Sorry, I had to open that first. Here. Having a movie night. You try naman. Having a movie night.
Already have this.
Having. Mommy. Movie night. This one and this.
You want that?
Mommy, we have opened this monkey.
Okay, like that monkey. Okay,
It's a
we'll see. Help you find the zipper.
We have this one. Oh, sorry. What do you want to open first?
Can
This.
you explain, Ate, about the
This one.
sticker?
I want this.
Yeah.
Sticker.
No,
Can
you're
you
not
open
sure.
this, Atrika?
Where do you put those?
Put this over here. And then
Yeah.
over here.
Like a face?
Make a
Like a
face.
face?
Make a face and Mom, here. Thank you. Get that out. Oh, there. What do you want to open next? This. This.
Wow, you don't have that yet?
I don't know. And this. Do you have this?
Uh-huh.
It's the glasses. What next? This
The
one.
stickers will be put on like this. Okay?
This one's cute.
They will be stuck on together. Make a snowman like this.
Wow, what's cute?
Like that.
It looks like a banana.
Mhm.
Is it a banana? Oh, where am I looking? Can you open this? The
What's
yellow?
this?
It's a yellow banana.
Oh, I think we got
Aww,
the.
cute.
Okay, what do we get?
How do you make
Okay, we have this yellow thingy.
Oh, we have a glasses.
Yeah, we
And
have
here, a
glasses.
big hat.
And a big hat.
Titi.
Okay, can you just put it here?
That's
Put it one side.
What's this? Put this over here.
Okay, and then Ate get the chance to open another one. Okay?
This one, and then this. And the hat. Wait, we have to do this first. We have a sticky.
The sticker.
The sticky sticky. Sticky sticker.
Put them on one side. And then we get to check. Okay.
Check. Okay, put it over
And
here.
then we get to check this one.
Wait, where is
This one, check. Let me see. Teka lang.
Ah. What this? I'm not sure.
Very sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Me turn.
Oops.
Yay.
Okay. Let Kisses speak so we know. You lose your turn.
She did it right away. Oh, this one. This one. No. Too late, Yassi.
Okay.
Where's the
later.
monkeys? There's no monkey.
We have to look for the monkey.
We have to look for the monkey. If that's what Cassie wants so much. Let's try to get it. Mommy,
Guess one.
I want to open that. I want to get that. Yay, I have to open that. The next level. This one. And also this. Oh, it's an animal. Oh,
What's the bed?
it's I think it's one that we already got.
Is it?
Yeah. This one, metal claws.
Oh.
So sad.
Sure?
Sad me. Metal claws.
Can I see?
Anyways, she's cute.
Oh, okay. This is cute. We have
I think I opened the pet first. Metal claws. At least.
Okay, just put them on.
Oh, okay.
Open up. Open. What is the box?
There's something. It's slipping. Sana I hope this is not another duplicate.
It's fine. Just keep opening.
Yeah, but just open it all. Let's see if we have duplicates. It's over here.
Mama, it's my son.
And then another one for forget what I want.
Mommy, it's my turn, Mom.
Purple ba yan?
I go with purple.
Purple! Oh my god! I hope it's not a duplicate! Oh my gosh!
It's, oh. I'm gonna open this. Open it up. No, this one. Small. I think this is a duplicate. I think it's that one. Yep. Yep. Is it the
We
same?
already have it.
Again! We got it again.
Got it already.
Again. So fluffy.
So
It's my turn.
Yeah, finally. The moment you've been waiting for.
already 3 to duplicate.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it Cassie's turn now?
Cassie's turn.
Okay, ikaw naman, baby.
You give me that.
Okay.
I get it.
Okay, now
Good thing she
open it
got
si
a second
Cassie.
chance. Okay, remove. Remove.
Si ate,
What?
you want to pick na?
Yeah.
Here was it.
I'm going to pick also. Is that the one gonna make?
So, thank you, Mommy.
Are you done?
Yeah, done.
video. And yes.
I think we already have this. Have it on movie night.
You already. It's not good. Let's put this aside for a while.
It's open. It's open. Oh, this.
Oh, it's a baby.
Wow, that's nice, Ate.
It's the pinks.
The queen beside.
Wow.
It's what it says. There it is. Oh, just popped out. Here, the bag.
There.
Ooh,
That's there.
sticker. Yes, sticker.
Sticker.
Wait, it's not a baby. Yeah, it's not a baby.
May I see?
Here, it's cute. I thought it was gonna be a baby.
It's a little pet.
So here, it's the kitten.
Oh, nice.
It's
Get any other accessories?
yeah, over here.
Yeah, but.
It's
This
rare.
one.
It's rare.
Oops.
I think yellow means rare.
Mommy, do you have a fan?
Uh-huh.
You wanna be a fan?
No.
Mommy, can you open this?
Okay, let's try. Ikaw.
There. Don't just make sure it doesn't mix up.
It's a duplicate.
It's a duplicate.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a duplicate.
Yeah, the same one.
It's the bag. You're that. Nee, 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 nee. Ha. Nee, nee.
You don't need to finish this. You
Yeah.
already have this, baby.
What?
Show her. Show her. Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, we already have that, baby.
I'm so happy.
Mommy, I can open this.
You don't need to open that, okay? Just have-
Okay.
Put the stand here. Okay, so you can hold your pet. Okay.
I'm gonna put
That
on,
would be.
put on your
Put on
glove.
the pet here.
Where's that glove?
Yeah, there.
It's my turn.
Remember your thumb
And
goes here.
sunglasses.
Hello.
What's
Eh?
my?
So you
Mommy,
have a
mommy,
lemon.
mommy.
Falling. Just wait. Hey, I think it's upside down.
There you go.
Okay, though. Even if it's upside down, it's fine.
No.
It's the one you opened.
Ate.
It's my turn. I hope I don't lose it.
Where's our checklist?
What checklist? See? Just help the other hand.
It's my turn.
Okay.
Even if she loses her turn. No, that's
It's
enough.
okay, it's okay, it's okay. She has- Okay.
Here.
Okay.
There.
But I still
There,
got a
there,
second
there,
pick,
there. There's
right?
only 3 more.
I still
Yeah.
got a second pick, right? Because she lost her turn.
There.
Now open together again.
Okay. What a boy.
Having a movie night.
Oh no! Scary.
Ah,
Could be the same.
could be, but it could not. There is also a chance that it could not.
Oh no!
You
Gosh.
Look at this thing.
Okay, okay.
I'm gonna beat
Let's
you
hope
to
for the
it.
best.
But
Yeah,
yeah,
she's to me,
I'm
Anna.
gonna beat you to it.
But she got blue one.
Yeah.
Mommy,
Mine is
can you
pink.
open this?
again.
Just chuck it up and get another one.
Yeah, since I got a second chance.
Yeah.
Just put that all over there. I don't want. And still. Anyways, it's over there.
Anak, the other pair.
Oh, right. Over here. We're rushing it up. I don't have it anymore. Ooh, building a snowman.
Oh, good.
BB. Building. I don't think we ever got this.
Mommy, can you open this?
No. But I put this over here.
Mommy, can you open
Oh,
this?
I get pink again. I hope it's not the same. Just wish for this.
Oh, it's the baby.
It's a boy!
It's a boy! Get a boy!
Oh, it's the boy. There.
It's a baby boy.
There.
Happy.
Super duper happy.
You happy? So happy. Little brother. Oh!
Oh, it's the last.
Awesome.
Awesome there. Can
Then we get a
open
girl
this?
majesty
Mommy, can
already.
you open this?
No, we don't have.
Okay. So
Oh, it's from the other pocket, I guess.
This one, it's the bag. Oh, bag.
Cassie, can you compare? Oh, I thought it was the same. I thought it was the same because it was also red.
Mommy, what's the glasses?
You can put it on the boy.
We are speeding up.
No.
Oh,
What's the glasses? Can you see the glasses?
The glass is over
here,
here.
the glasses.
Here's the glass.
Mickey Mouse. The other one.
Where are you going?
I'm
You're gonna play.
Yeah.
There's one more to open.
There's two more.
There's one more to open.
I want to play. I have a play.
Fine, then I'll open the next two. She's playing.
So that's the boy.
Yep.
Obviously.
How do you make this stand? You put this over here or?
I can't get it up. It's a better baby.
Like that?
I see.
It's the baby. It's the baby. It's the baby.
Come on, put that on.
What's the name, Anna?
It's the
Your
baby.
Majesty.
It's the baby. It's the
Your
baby.
Majesty.
It's the baby.
And then we
How
get
many more do we need?
Which boy did we get?
Again,
This one with the flat hair.
Here. So how many more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, got a lot of duplicates.
Yep.
So we didn't get the rear one. The ultra
We got
rare.
where?
The ultra rare.
We got where? The one that's.
Oh, the ultra rare is Glamour Queen.
Who's
We
not?
haven't got it. So we didn't have the monkey, this crown princess, this little dude,
But the monkeys would cast.
and this little. Oh, we still have two more.
Here. Cutie. I placed everything. Okay. Now.
Two more.
What?
There's two more.
Yay!
This one, the kisses got. The last two.
Yep. Just
Open the
give the
mine.
last two to us.
Okay, I'll help you.
So,
Open.
it's already open.
Yeah, sure.
It's in the cards. Oh, it's gold. I
It's
repeat.
another boy.
I hope.
Goodbye if you like.
Me?
Me. To her.
For her? With my...
Oh, this one.
It's the kitten.
That's the boy.
This one's the one I got earlier.
Oh.
It's mine.
Mommy,
I still look so messy.
You don't need to open it. Okay.
Oh,
The same boy.
please.
No, we don't want to get any more duplicates. But it's fine.
Oh, it's the baby boy.
She's still so happy.
And this one.
This one is the same. It's the glasses.
And that. It's glasses.
It's the one there.
Yeah.
Anyways, I still like fluffy pets. The
The
fuzzy.
same. Okay. Say goodbye.
The-
Oh, wait.
Goodbye
So you
already.
So you have how many unicorns?